The new AI infrastructure, a guide to serverless GPU platforms. This is a way to use AI models that is fast, lower cost, and private. Imagine you've built a cool AI model that can generate images from text descriptions. You want to share it with the world? But there's a problem. Running AI models requires powerful, expensive hardware. Buying your own server with top-tier graphics cards, GPUs, can cost thousands of dollars. This is where a new wave of services comes in, offering a simpler, more affordable way to deploy AI. Services like RunPod, Banana.dev, Cerebrium, Inferless, Anyscale, and Replicate are changing the game. They provide serverless access to powerful GPUs, meaning you don't have to manage the hardware yourself. Instead, you pay only for the computing power you actually use. These platforms are part of a booming AI inference market, where the goal is to run your trained model and get results, a process called inference. What is serverless AI inference? Think of it like renting a car instead of buying one. You don't have to worry about insurance, maintenance, or parking. You just pay for the time you drive. Serverless AI works the same way. You upload your AI model to one of these platforms, and they handle everything else, the servers, the GPUs, and scaling up automatically to handle more users. This is a huge deal because it allows individuals and small teams to build powerful AI applications without a massive upfront investment. The core benefit is that it scales to zero. When no one is using your app, you pay nothing. The key players. A quick overview. There are several platforms, each with its own flavor. Here are 6 of the most notable ones. 1. Replicate, the App Store for AI. Replicate is often the first stop for many developers. It's famous for its massive library of pre-built models. You can think of it like an app store for AI. Want to try a new image generator or a language model? It's probably on Replicate. You can often run these models with a single line of code. The trade-off. Replicate's biggest strength, its ease of use, can also be its biggest weakness. For production apps with steady traffic, its pricing can get expensive. It also has a well-known problem with cold starts, where the first user to request the model after a period of inactivity might have to wait 60 seconds or more for the GPU to fire up. 2. RunPod, the budget-friendly powerhouse. If cost is your main concern, RunPod is a top contender. It offers some of the most affordable GPU prices on the market, with a huge selection of hardware, from standard GPUs to top-tier A100 and H100 chips. RunPod gives you a lot of control, allowing you to deploy your own Docker containers. This is great for developers who know exactly what they need. RunPod offers a serverless option to help manage cold starts with active workers that are always on, though they are billed continuously. For many, the significant cost savings make the extra setup time worthwhile. 3. Banana.dev, built for developers. Banana.dev focuses on the developer experience with its open-source framework, Potassium. This Python framework is designed specifically for the challenges of serving AI models on GPUs. It handles the heavy lifting of initializing your model, the @app.init function, and running inference at app.handler. Banana is a great choice for Python developers who want a clean, straightforward way to turn their models into scalable APIs without getting bogged down in infrastructure details. 4. Cerebrium, speed and reliability. Cerebrium is a newer platform that prides itself on performance. It's built its own custom infrastructure from the ground up, which its creators claim results in faster cold starts, as quick as 2 to 4 seconds, and greater reliability. This makes Cerebrium an excellent choice for real-time applications like voice agents or chatbots, where every millisecond counts. 5. Anyscale, for the big leagues. Anyscale is the commercial company behind Ray, an open-source framework for scaling AI workloads. Anyscale Endpoints is the enterprise option in this space. It's built for large companies that need top-tier security, like HIPAA and SOC 2 compliance, and must handle massive, complex workloads. The trade-off. While it's incredibly powerful, Anyscale is one of the more expensive options, and its enterprise focus might be overkill for individual developers or small teams just getting started. 6. Inferless. Inferless is a platform designed to simplify the deployment of machine learning models, providing serverless GPU infrastructure and tools for scaling AI applications efficiently. Deciding which platform is right for you. Choose Replicate if you want ease of use and the largest selection of models. It has the biggest library of ready-to-run AI models. Choose RunPod if you want the absolute cheapest cost. It is known for offering the most competitive pricing. Choose Banana.dev if you want a Python-friendly, developer-centric experience. Its framework, Potassium, is designed to make serving models simple. Choose Cerebrium if you want the fastest, most reliable performance. It has built a proprietary system to minimize cold starts. Choose Anyscale if you need to run a massive, enterprise-grade application with strict compliance needs. It offers enterprise-level security, reliability, and compliance. Conclusion. The era of buying and managing your own AI servers is fading. For most developers, using a service like RunPod, Banana.dev, Cerebrium, Anyscale, or Replicate is the smartest path forward. These platforms have made deploying AI as simple as using a web service, democratizing access to some of the most powerful technology in the world. Your main challenge is no longer hardware. It's figuring out what cool AI applications you can build. Do you know that any private information you put into a cloud AI is used to train that AI? With local models, you can keep your private data private. Applications and models for local AI are available for free. You may be surprised at how powerful they are when loaded with your private data. I can help you set up a private AI on almost any PC or Mac. Contact me for a free consultation. I have published more than 700 blogs on AI in the past 3 years. If you get value from these blogs, please consider joining my Patreon as a member at the $2, $4, or $8 level. https://www.patreon.com/Steve Hovland.